Here we have a Volkswagen T-Cross, 1 litre TSI SE 115 PS. The car is looking great and has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, an automatic post-collision braking system, black roof rails, a radar sensor controlled distance monitor, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, and these 17-inch Clayton alloy wheels. Now, looking at the boot, it's a good size and it's very deep. The interior has front and rear parking sensors, an eCall emergency call service, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.